Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. So today we're gonna learn this character. This is 产, 产, 产. Now let's see, what's this character originally like? It's like this. And now, the traditional character is like this. Pay attention, it's different from the simplified character. And it means give birth, produce. Now let's see how to remember this character. This character has been divided into two parts. First, the bottom part. Use your imagination. What's this like? So isn't it like a woman who's extending her hand, like wait to catch something? And now let's see the above part. What's this like? It looks like a baby, right? Now we put them together. So it's like the woman who's holding her baby. Actually, 产 have the meaning of give birth and produce. So it have the sense of something coming out. So apparently the baby is coming out from the woman. Okay, now I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write this character together. We're gonna write this character for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 strokes in this character. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after this lesson, you can practice it by yourself. Now let's learn some down-to-earth Chinese with this character. Today we are gonna learn a sentence. 距离产生美，距离产生美，距离产生美。Okay, first, 距离 means distance, and 产生 have the same meaning with 产 means produce. 美 means beauty. So it means distance produces beauty. Do you believe this sentence? I always think this sentence makes sense. But until one day, I went to examine my vision, and I stood there. I can't feel any beauty. about the distance. So, do you have some interesting story about this sentence? You can tell me. Okay, so much for this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye!